Hello, good evening everyone. I'm N. Balankaya, an engineer. Today, I started a new channel to help my friends relevant to the job and notifications advertised and how to apply everything and all. I just want to clear my friends for everyone. It will be helpful for everyone. So please subscribe my channel for the latest job updates. So today I just want to discuss about the SBI clerk notification. SBI clerk notification has been released in the last month, so it is going to end in the next 2 days, that is 17th May. So I request everyone to apply for the SBI clerk notification. So in this SBI clerk, the general age cutoff is 28 years. So who are having the last chance? So I request everyone to apply and utilize this opportunity in this pandemic situation, so it may be helpful for everyone. So try to work hard and clear this examination. This SBI clerk has three steps. One is preliminary examination, and next one is main examination, and next step is language proficiency test. Language proficiency test will be applicable only who have not studied for the local language and who are applying for the other states, who didn't study about that subject. They only has to appear for the language proficiency test. Remaining all students can apply in the entire nation. Only languages you have to think about that. So SBI clerk is a good opportunity who are preparing for the bank examination, and it will helpful for the people all around India who is suffering that who don't have and who are unemployed in India. So SBI clerk is going to conduct the prelim examination in the June. I hope it may be conducted in the last week of June. So I request everyone to prepare for this examination and work hard for this job. So SBI clerk prelims examination will be 1 hour. So in this section you will be having quant, reasoning, and English also. So I request everyone to cover from the starting itself that quant, reasoning, English, and general awareness, each and everything from the starting prelims onwards only. So I got information that the prelims is going to conduct in the June. So if everything goes well by this year end itself, you will be placed in the particular circle. So in this, you don't have a opportunity to in this you can apply only for the one circle. So in the entire India you cannot transfer for this inter circle. There is no inter circle transfer. For which circle you are appearing for the examination and applied also, so that will be the your circle in the lifelong. I mean, your till your retirement age you cannot get the transfer for one circle to another circle. So try to see the notification, read each and every point in the advertisement, read carefully. So I got information that OBC certificate should be from 1st April 2021 to till the employment placed, and EWS certificate must you should get from the 1st April 2021 to till the last date of applying, that means 17th May 2021. So EWS and OBC certificate should be latest for the current financial year. So keep it in mind and get the certificate. If you have any clarity or if you have any queries, please try to mail to the SBI. So corresponding reply you will get, and share that reply to everyone in my community also. So it will be helpful for the other students who are appearing for this examination. I request everyone to apply for the SBI clerk notification who are eagerly waiting for this notification. Please utilize this opportunity and get the success. In everything is there in your hand, so you just have to work hard and get the success. So I will be posting for the remaining job advertisements in the soon in the next coming videos. So I request everyone to please subscribe my channel, so it will be helpful for you or your friends and your colleagues, everyone. So thank you very much.